You think you know Florida? You've seen the theme parks, maybe a beach or two. But what if I told you there's a place on the Gulf Coast that shatters every expectation? A vibrant tapestry of culture, nature, and pure sun-drenched bliss that most travelers completely miss. Prepare to have your mind blown because we're about to uncover Sarasota, a city that's not just a destination, it's an entire experience waiting to redefine your idea of paradise. This video is brought to you by Bella Access. If you've not subscribed, please do so. Please like, share, and click on the notification bell. Today, we're not just scratching the surface, we're diving headfirst into the very soul of Sarasota, Florida, and its incredible surrounding areas. We're talking about breathtaking beaches that sparkle like diamonds, lush gardens that feel like secret worlds, and wildlife encounters that will make your jaw drop. From the electric pulse of downtown to the serene hush of hidden coves, we'll explore the must-try local eats, discover architectural marvels, and find out why this corner of the Sunshine State is quickly becoming everyone's favorite escape. Get ready because our journey begins right now, with the gentle breeze of Sarasota Bay on our faces, starting our grand tour on the iconic Bayfront Drive. As we cruise along Bayfront Drive, the very air here hums with a different energy. On one side, the sparkling azure waters of Sarasota Bay stretch out, dotted with sailboats and the occasional dolphin fin breaking the surface. On the other, the stunning skyline of downtown Sarasota rises, a fascinating blend of old Florida charm and sleek, modern architecture. It's this captivating contrast that truly sets the stage for our adventure. This isn't just another beach town, it's a sophisticated, vibrant city nestled right by some of the world's most beautiful natural wonders. Think of it as a meticulously crafted gem, with each facet revealing something new and exciting. You'll notice immediately the sheer variety of buildings, from historic structures whispering tales of yesteryear to gleaming contemporary towers reflecting the bright Florida sun. It's a testament to Sarasota's rich past and its forward-thinking future. Right here in the heart of downtown Sarasota, the city truly comes alive. This area is more than just a collection of buildings. It's the beating heart, a bustling hub where art, commerce, and culture collide. You can feel the pulse of the city as you stroll through its wide, palm-lined streets. There are art galleries showcasing local and international talent, boutique shops with unique finds, and an incredible array of restaurants, from casual cafes serving fresh seafood to upscale dining experiences. It's the kind of place where you can spend an entire afternoon wandering, popping into shops, admiring public art installations, and just soaking in the lively atmosphere. The downtown area also plays host to numerous festivals and events throughout the year, from jazz festivals to farmers markets, ensuring there's always something exciting happening. Just steps from the downtown buzz, you'll find Marina Jack Bayfront Park, a truly iconic landmark that embodies the relaxed yet vibrant spirit of Sarasota. Imagine a sprawling green space right on the water, with towering palm trees swaying gently in the breeze. This park is a beloved spot for locals and tourists alike, and for good reason. It's where people come to jog, picnic, or simply sit on a bench and watch the boats glide by. Marina Jack itself is a full-service marina, but it's also home to popular restaurants where you can dine with incredible waterfront views, often accompanied by live music. Watching the sunset from here with the sky ablaze in hues of orange and pink is an experience you won't soon forget. It's a place where you can feel the rhythm of the city and the serenity of the bay, all at once. A short drive from the bustling bayfront, we stumble upon Golden Gate Point, a peninsula that juts into Sarasota Bay, offering some of the most exclusive and picturesque residential views in the city. This area is truly a feast for the eyes, with stunning luxury condominiums and impeccably manicured landscapes. It's a testament to Sarasota's high-end living, but more than that, it's a place that just feels incredibly peaceful and grand. The architecture here is diverse, ranging from sleek, modern designs to elegant Mediterranean-inspired villas. Every turn offers another postcard perfect vista, making it a favorite spot for a leisurely drive or a quiet stroll. You can almost feel the gentle ocean breeze carrying whispers of luxury and tranquility. Now, let's talk about a place that's synonymous with upscale charm and refined elegance: St. Armands Circle. Located just across the Ringling Bridge from downtown, this isn't just a shopping center, it's an experience. As you drive onto the circle, you're immediately struck by the beautiful landscaping, the classic statues, and the open-air design. Imagine a European-style piazza, but with a distinct Florida flair. St. Armands Circle is renowned for its unique boutiques, where you can find everything from high-fashion apparel to one-of-a-kind jewelry and gifts. Art galleries showcase breathtaking works, and the dining scene is absolutely fantastic, offering everything from gourmet seafood to casual cafes, perfect for people watching. It's the perfect place to treat yourself, enjoy a leisurely meal, or simply soak in the sophisticated yet relaxed atmosphere. It's proof that Sarasota truly has it all, catering to every taste and desire. But let's be honest, for many, Sarasota's biggest draw is its absolutely phenomenal beaches. And when it comes to world-class stretches of sand, Lido Key Beach is a must-see. Located just a stone's throw from St. Armands Circle, Lido Key offers a slightly different vibe than some of its more famous neighbors. It's generally a bit quieter, making it a fantastic choice for those looking for a more relaxed beach day. The sands are soft, the water is calm, and the views are expansive. It's perfect for swimming, sunbathing, or simply enjoying a peaceful walk along the shoreline, collecting shells. There are also picnic areas and playgrounds, making it a great family-friendly option. What makes Lido Key truly special is its accessibility and the stunning Gulf sunsets that paint the sky in fiery hues every evening. Next up, we can't talk about Sarasota beaches without dedicating some serious attention to the legendary Siesta Key Beach. If you've never felt sand like this, prepare for a revelation. Siesta Key is consistently ranked among the best beaches in the world, and for good reason. The sand here isn't just white, it's practically pure quartz, so fine and soft it feels like powdered sugar between your toes, and it stays cool even on the hottest days. The waters are crystal clear and an inviting shade of turquoise, perfect for swimming, paddleboarding, or just floating. It's a vast beach, offering plenty of space for everyone, whether you're looking for a lively game of volleyball or a quiet spot to read a book. The drum circle on Sunday evenings, where locals and visitors gather to play music and watch the sunset, is an absolutely iconic Siesta Key experience that encapsulates the free-spirited vibe of this incredible beach. The sheer beauty and unique qualities of Siesta Key truly make it a crown jewel of the Gulf Coast. Driving a little further south, you'll discover Turtle Beach, offering a distinctly different yet equally charming beach experience. Unlike the wide, powdery expanses of Siesta Key, Turtle Beach is known for its darker, coarser sand, which is rich in shell fragments. This makes it an absolute paradise for shell collectors who can spend hours discovering unique treasures washed ashore. It's generally a more natural and less crowded beach, ideal for those seeking solitude and a closer connection to nature. The beach also features a boat ramp, picnic areas, and a campground, allowing for a truly immersive outdoor experience. And as its name suggests, during nesting season, it's a vital nesting ground for sea turtles, making it a place of significant ecological importance and a wonderful spot for quiet observation. Each beach in Sarasota you see has its own unique personality, offering something different for every visitor. But Sarasota isn't just about the immediate coastline and downtown. The greater Sarasota region extends its arms to incredible communities and vibrant centers that offer diverse lifestyles and experiences. Let's take a little detour inland to Lakewood Ranch. This master-planned community is a world unto itself, a testament to thoughtful urban development mixed with natural beauty. Imagine miles of meticulously maintained nature trails, championship golf courses, bustling town centers with their own unique shops and restaurants, and a strong sense of community. Lakewood Ranch offers a different pace of life, combining suburban comfort with access to incredible amenities and a focus on outdoor living. It's a place where families thrive and where you can find everything from luxurious estates to charming bungalows, all surrounded by lush landscaping and sparkling lakes. It's truly a model for modern living in Florida. And not far from Lakewood Ranch, we have the University Town Center area, which has quickly become a major commercial and lifestyle hub for the region. This is where you'll find the massive mall at University Town Center, an upscale shopping destination featuring high-end brands and diverse dining options. But it's more than just a mall. The surrounding area has exploded with development, offering a vibrant mix of retail, restaurants, entertainment venues, and even residential complexes. It's a dynamic and rapidly growing part of Sarasota, showcasing the economic vitality and continuous development of the region. Whether you're looking for a specific store, a new restaurant to try, or just a lively area to explore, UTC has become a go-to spot for many. Now, extending our tour further south, let's venture to Venice Beach. Often called the shark tooth capital of the world, Venice Beach offers a unique treasure hunting experience. The offshore fossil beds mean that lucky beachgoers can often find fossilized shark teeth right on the shoreline. It's an incredibly fun and rewarding activity, especially for families. The city of Venice itself is known for its Italian Renaissance architecture and tree-lined avenues, creating a distinct European charm. It's a more laid-back historic counterpart to some of the bustling Sarasota areas, providing a wonderful contrast and further demonstrating the richness and variety of experiences available in the wider Sarasota region. So here we are, having journeyed from the vibrant downtown skyline to the tranquil shores of hidden beaches, from the luxurious enclaves of Golden Gate Point to the family-friendly expanses of Lakewood Ranch, and even venturing to the shark-tooth shores of Venice. What we've uncovered together is that Sarasota is far more than just pretty beaches and sunny skies. It's a place where art thrives, nature astounds, and every corner offers a new discovery. It's a sophisticated city with a laid-back soul, a place that caters to every whim, from high-end dining to simple moments of natural beauty. The vibrant atmosphere, the diverse architecture, the stunning natural landscapes, it all comes together to create a truly unforgettable experience. It's a place where memories are made, whether you're building sandcastles, spotting dolphins, or simply enjoying a breathtaking sunset over the Gulf of Mexico. This isn't just a destination. It's a feeling, an enchantment that pulls you in and makes you want to stay forever. So next time you're dreaming of Florida, remember Sarasota, a place that truly has it all.